First, take a look at this video. These viral AI paint mixing videos are going insanely viral on social media right now. And the best part, you can easily create them using just one free AI tool. So without wasting a single second, let me show you how you can create these videos for completely free. Step by step. First, copy the master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, make sure you've selected these correct settings for video generation. Then paste the prompt into the prompt box. Enter your desired colors. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate. After a short wait, your viral AI paint mixing video will be ready. Let's see the result together. Here is another video I made using the same method. You'll find the master prompt in the description. Make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next.